giant rutile crystals popping out of boulders.
Slowly working on this guy.
Huge honeycombs with iridescent hematite. Crystals the size of your head? What more? Oh yeah, alien space monsters coming out of the pit. They filmed the Amazon movie The Tomorrow War right here at Graves Mountain.
It's looking like the lazulite trip this time. I'm happy either way to find something cool. Look at that. And this one actually has the biggest piece of blue that I have come across. So, very nice. Let's see what else this guy's got. Yeah, it's just spotted all over. Not a big concentration, but very nice.
Oh yeah, this is worth a video. I hate to set it on all that color.
Flip it, set it on its back.
How does, here, come in here close. Look at this mess. Look at this.
Can you get on the back so I
Can't see what I'm filming. I think there's some color over there.
Yeah, a little bit.
And some stalactites in there. And look, there's me, Charlie Smith, Anthony, last name?
Leon.
Leon, that's
Crystal
right.
Miner Rocks.
That's right. Woo woo! Digging in Grays Mountain.
Check out this monster chunk. I chipped off a big boulder in the back upper pit. Blue-green kyanite. Looks like an iceberg. Closer to the blue side in my opinion. It's also got a coating of pyrite all over it. This is an awesome find. Love it. That is so pretty. Look at that blue. Hey everybody, Anthony here, and thanks for watching Crystal Miner Rocks. I'm out at Grace Mountain this time. A huge place, just all kinds of stuff here. It's a mineral mecca. I wasn't planning on doing a video this time because I've been here so many times already. But you know, I was just gonna walk the mountainside and see what happens. But a lot of cool things did actually happen, so I'm gonna show you the highlights. Thanks for watching and subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you want to get an idea of what you can find here in this place, get a spread of the different crystals and specimens, look up some of my older videos. You'll enjoy it. Another theme that this video could have is building the rock hunting community. As you'll see, we had a great time. There's an informal meetup put together by Bob. It's been building steam. We had a lot of people turn out this time. For more information on the where and when, go to the Facebook page for Grace Mountain and Crystal Miner Rocks. We will post it when we have it. Anyway, I encourage you to come, make new friends, catch up with old friends, make some trades, and have a great time. All right, let's get to the mountain. Everyone's having a good time at the informal social before the date for tomorrow at Graves Mountain. Having a fun time meeting people and the Facebook people. It's gonna be a great day tomorrow. Hey everybody, thanks for watching Crystal Miner Rocks. I'm out here in Graves Mountain, the set of Tomorrow's War. The aliens have left, so it's safe to dig. I'm going to be looking for some rutile, lazulite, porphyroite, whatever I can find. Iridescent turgite, so there's lots of cool stuff. We're going to have a good day today. It's cloudy, so not going to be burning up. Check out this guy. Some nice color peeking out behind here, and I'm hoping I got a nice band right here. I might try to chip this. It is a big matrix piece, but got some pretty rainbows behind this one. I'm gonna start with some surface collecting as usual, see if anything shows up. The nice and quick and easy stuff. I just found that beautiful rainbow rock on quartz. just start moving some of this loose dirt. Look, came across a boulder. Has some milky with some blue-green kyanite. That's the combo that I'm looking for, but this doesn't have a lot of the kyanite in there, except for this spot here. But it is going to be a hard break. That's the beautiful stuff I am looking for. Well, using my small sledge, got this guy to about half the size. There's still actually a lot, but that's the really hard spot to get to with a small chisel. All these little pieces came out as I dissected it. Got a couple of nice little spots there. A few nice pieces. A lot of them just singles or doubles, depending how big it is. And there's pyrite all over it, along with the kyanite. My best plate right here, probably. So these are the spoils from the big break. This one's got some over here. Just giving it a couple of final whacks, and this nice one, which is near the surface, popped out. So I walked away with maybe 4 or 5 really nice pieces out of the big boulder. He's still a good, I don't know, 90, 100 pounds. And there's still more in there, but I don't have a sledgehammer. Spring dig 2022 on Graves Mountain. Fairly busy day. Everyone's chipping away looking for the goods. Found some really nice lazulite so far, and we'll see what the rest of the day brings. Check out this view. The back side of the main pit. That's where the aliens were. What a beautiful day out at Graves Mountain. It is hot, but at least it's breezy up here. There's a lot of mining over there.
You said you had to be able to see the color through it first.
Yeah, I mean, I have
Just barely.
Charlie and Brian working their vein.
Woo-woo.
Pull out this nice color one here, lots of bots. Here's your loot. Lots of copper and looks like a rose color sometimes too.
There's some bright stuff right there.
Nice. Yep. Sweet.
Between you and I got a warning call on.
Hey, Mr. Matrix.
Yeah.
He's hanging in there. It is hot today. He's a trooper.
Oh, you mean a warning? Oh.
2 Brians in 1 pit.
But caught me when I was off.
I found one half this size before, but not.
Look at that monster point. Brian just surfaced fine.
Yeah,
That's insane.
it was sitting like that, and I seen
That
that,
is-
and then I started reaching around, and I felt the tip, and I was like, "You gotta be kidding
And,
me!"
and the tip survived, and holy moly, that's insane.
Ron Major get ground score.
Slowly working on this guy. Got a nice cavity that opened
You
up.
found a big old
Little
point.
Christmas tree. Beautiful colors there. Oh,
No,
it's the lactic rows of bots.
white.
Nice. So what will Brian do? What piece of this is gonna stay? Maybe in thirds, I'd say. Yeah, it's just so fragile. It's gonna split somewhere.
Pretty solid though. It's kind of nice.
That's on there.
Yeah, it's pretty solid. And then it came out of. Look where. I mean,
Never know what's gonna be there when you split it.
4 o'clock. Yeah, look at this rain.
It's looking like it's a nice big chunk of blue-green kyanite. Could be solid. Just keeping this one. Looks like there's a large deposit of kyanite and quartz right there. Even some in this beautiful white milky. which I love. I'm not sure if I can take some this big back, but and then some lazulite just showed up. Look how deep that blue is. So I might chip this guy down. Nice. Here's the stuff I like, that beautiful white and green, blue-green color combo. So nice. It's looking like the lazulite trip this time. I'm happy either way to find something cool. Look at that. And this one actually has the biggest piece of blue that I have come across. So, very nice. Let's see what else this guy's got. Yeah, it's just spotted all over. Not a big concentration, but very nice. Look at this. I'm thinking it's a chunk of hematite. I mean, it could be rutile, but more likely hematite. Still a nice silvery chunk there. Maybe busted. But that's a cool find. To Melissa, and she just scored actually a beautiful surface find right there. Look at that beautiful shine. That is a nice piece. I hope I get lucky today. Charlie in action, trying to pop that big boy out. There's a little bit of crystal, a little bit of bots down there on the back side of that big jewel. Here's a piece that just came out of it earlier. On the back to the bottom side of that big chunk. Beautiful sea of blue.
There's a brilliant orange and then there's a dull orange.
We got some beautiful color here. All the pinks and coppers. And that's a sweet looking one right there.
There's a gold.
Huge chunks. Hey guys, I'm signing out of Grace Mountain. Digging in May, it is horrendously hot. Did a lot of walking around, no luck on the rutile again this time, but I found a lot of great kyanite pieces in milky quartz and also some porphyroid. And the best part, of course, is the iridescent hematite pocket. I was able to help out Brian Lynch and Charlie, and we had a great time pulling out some awesome stuff. Can't wait to show you guys. Be safe, rock hounding. Stay tuned for more adventures. Anthony out.
Garden salads for dinner.
Hey, I'm getting my Mediterranean. Say hi, Valley. Got a bunch of people eating.